Lucas, have you ever thought about how much time we spend in different rooms of our apartment?
Hey, yeah, some rooms I barely use, while others I spend most of my day in. What about you?
Same here. So, how many rooms does your apartment have?
It has a living room, a bedroom, a kitchen, and a bathroom. It's not huge, but it's comfortable. What about yours?
Mine is similar, but I also have a small balcony where I like to sit in the mornings.
That sounds nice. So, which room do you spend the most time in?
Definitely the living room. It's where I watch TV, read books, and sometimes even work on my laptop.
Yeah, I spend a lot of time in my living room too. It's my favorite place to listen to music and just relax.
Oh, I love listening to music at home too. Do you play it on speakers or with headphones?
It depends. If I'm cleaning or cooking, I use my speakers. But if it's late at night, I use headphones. What about you?
Same here. I love playing soft music in the evening. It makes my apartment feel cozy.
That's a great idea. Where do you usually eat your meals?
I try to eat at the dining table, but honestly, sometimes I just eat on the couch while watching TV.
I do the same thing, but when I have guests over, I eat at the dining table.
Me too. And where do you like to read?
I love reading in bed before going to sleep. It helps me relax. What about you?
I usually read on my balcony during the day and on my couch in the evening.
That sounds really peaceful. What's the most relaxing place in your apartment?
Probably my bedroom. After a long day, I love just lying down and unwinding.
I totally agree. My bedroom is my favorite place to relax. But I also like taking a hot shower in the bathroom. It's another great way to de-stress.
Oh yes. A nice, warm shower can feel so refreshing after a busy day.
Absolutely. So, if you had to choose just one room to spend most of your time in, which one would it be?
That's hard, but I think I'd choose my living room. It's where I can do almost everything. Watch TV, read, eat, and even work.
Good choice. I'd probably pick my bedroom. It's where I sleep, relax, and read.
Makes sense. I guess we all have our favorite spots at home.
Definitely. Well, now I feel like redecorating my apartment to make it even cozier.
Me too. Maybe we should go shopping for home decor this weekend.
That's a great idea. Let's do it!